you guys very, very much. I want to talk to you guys for a second. It was almost a year ago that we lost a very good friend of ours who grew up in this very area. His name was Chris Baker. We always called him Little Chris. And it was almost a year ago that he passed in the tragic plane crash that took Shay and the pilots as well. And every time we used to come through Sacramento, a lot of other bands like to say, oh, Sacramento or whatever, but Chris grew up and was raised around here, and he was always like, no, man. Sacramento's fucked up, but it's my home. And he did and still does have family here who are here tonight, so give it up for Chris's family. And even after all the shit that we went through as a band, Chris would always say, I can't wait till the day that you guys can put aside everything and get back together and get on stage together again as Blink-182, because you guys seem to have so much fun. And it's partially because of what happened to him that Blink is back together. So, little Chris, wherever you are up in heaven, I hope that you're having the best time up there. And this song is dedicated to you. It's called Stay Together for the Kids.
Oh.